Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around.
What's up, Team Buckhouse? We're snowboarding in Illinois for the first time. We're at Chestnut Mountain. We're going to be doing some night riding. They are opening the terrain park tomorrow, but sadly, with this quick little 5-day tour that we're doing, 2 resorts each day, we don't get to come back tomorrow and ride the park. But we're still going to have a good day. I'm sure there's a bunch of fun stuff to rip around and ride here, and I'm talking, let's get to it. It's like negative 21 degrees right now, so let's get our bodies moving. Alright, the snow's a little firm. We'll see what we can pull off. Things are crazy. It's like punching bags. Like this makes you feel like a horse. 3, 2, 1. That's cool. All right, the snow's a little firm, and we're gonna wake up. We just had to drive an hour from our last ski resort. We gotta definitely gotta hit this re-warm up. Ben's gotta hit this rock drop. This thing's massive. This would be sweet. It would be even cool to kind of jump the rope. Dude. From there over is definitely doable. Dude, look at this giant trash can for beer cans and stuff. It blows my mind. They like make a game out of this. I also think we're 3 of the 7 people here tonight, which is kind of cool. It's like the resort to ourselves. I like sitting on benches and strapping in. Johnathan Buckhouse, dropping in to the Black Diamond on this resort. We're going straight to the black, by the way, guys. Run number 2, Black Diamond. Look at Benson run. Look at Ben run. I'm not in shape to run like that. All right, guys. Restricted slope. Experts only. You know that's us. You want to get in this thumbnail? I want to get in this thumbnail. All right, so we're going to send their Black Diamond. We did see it from the chairlift. Basically, it's like, whoa! Black Diamond over here. Yeah. Over. Cody down. I hit that little jump and then I just see down and I was just like, those walls are so icy. Let's do it again, but let's go and hit that rock side. Alright guys, the Black Diamonds are scary and fun and icy. Everything you would want out of a Black Diamond. And also everything you would want out of today's sticker shout out. We got Trebek Bukwata. I'm butchered that one. With 2 Evolution stickers, 1 on the nose, 1 on the helmet, looking insane. Also 1 on the car and another 1 on the snowboard. 4 Evolution stickers. As well as we got our boy Cody Kicks with the gold Evolution sticker and the Chipmunk sticker on the snowboard. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, we also have a ski version for all the skiers out there. They're all linked in the description, as well as our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, and windbreakers. It's negative 21 degrees right now. I don't recommend a windbreaker, but when it gets warm, springtime conditions, the windbreakers are super sick, super awesome, and the first kind of like true snowboard gear that we are getting and everything. So those are all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the merch, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content. We literally post a bunch of short form vertical type content on those platforms, so you're gonna want to check them out. I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket, my gloves back on because it's cold. With all that being said, also guys, big shout out to Chestnut Mountain for having us come out here. It is huge when these resorts give us media access to come make this content and it'll bring more awesome content to you guys, as well as hopefully get you guys to come check out these tiny Midwest resorts or other resorts near you, because they're fun and they're sick. And that last run alone, riding the Black Diamonds, yeah, like made my day. I'm having so much fun. It was just
it's worth the 20-hour drive.
Like, the screams I did were totally real. I was like, ah! Oh yeah, we did drive 20 hours to get. It shouldn't have took 20 hours. We drove through a legit snowstorm in Colorado. It was like all of Colorado snowstorm into Kansas snowstorm, and also
Just the beginning of Nebraska
was like all snowstorm. It took forever to get here, and we also left behind like a 9-inch pow day for this. But this is still sick and fun to me because as long as I'm on my snowboard, I'm having a blast. All right, enough talking. Back to the Black Diamonds.
Yes.
Another one. Let's go. It's crazy. Chestnut literally has like a ton of lodging. Like you can come stay here, which is insane. For a Midwest resort to have its own lodging, tons of bunny hill terrain too. Alright, we're gonna get a little point of view action of this first Black Diamond, because it's a little rowdy. Woo! It's funny because it's so icy, you're just falling. You're not even snowboarding at that point. Whoa! Do it, Benton! Oh! Benton's jump was sick, but let's take a second and say, good job, Cody.
I was not gonna say that.
So Cody, he's a great snowboarder. He's just getting better at snowboarding. Something like that is just not, he's not there yet, but we still drag him there.
Maybe if it wasn't like a sheet of ice to land in.
You just gotta land it and get to here, which is like, yeah. Look at this house, by the way. I would totally, like, someone lives there. I would live there. That's so sick. Are we doing that again?
Dude, my whole body is shaking.
I can't believe you flipped that.
I don't know why I wasn't expecting it, like why it surprised me, but it did.
Let's go see if we can at least see the park. Let's go do that.
The reason it was scary was because it was regular.
Oh, you did a regular
It
flip.
was a regular front flip.
Oh, there you go. We're gonna go check out the terrain park. We can't really go ride it, it's closed right now. And I hear they make a really awesome park. And everyone was telling me to come tomorrow because that's when it opens. But sadly, we can't. But we'll go look at it. We'll see what other scary things we can find. And just keep having a blast. This is so fun. Yeah. Also, the audio, like my little microphone, is gonna die soon. So we'll have to go to just the camera audio because we've been riding all day. Look at all these rails. They're massive and sick. See, this is where the fresh groomed is. Look at that jump. That looks sick. Oh. This park looks so good. Oh, so
I'm saying we should stay the night.
You got train tracks to down rail, transfer, the flat bar. Oh, that looks so good. That pill is like a hip to death. You got more park over here, rails, and it looks so good. All right, so we don't know where we are, but I know there's a bunch of light, which is a great time to mention that we're gonna ride every resort in the United States. All these tiny ones like Chestnut Mountain, all the ones in Illinois, Iowa, North Dakota, South Dakota, Wisconsin, East Coast, PA, Rhode Island, you know, we're coming to all of you guys. And the way you can track that is through the resort map. Not only do we have our schedule posted there, but it's a map of the United States, all the green are the resorts that we've been to. You can click on and watch the videos there. If it's red, that means we're still coming your way to rip your mountain. So definitely check out the resort map. It's linked in the description. We are gonna ride every resort in the US, which is gonna be sick. And also check out the dreamers, the guys that are members of the channel, really supporting the dream. Their names are now on the resort map, which is super sick. So shout out to the 5 of those dudes. Now let's get moving. It really starts to get cold when you stop moving and when it's negative 21 degrees. Hanging out there. Oh, we have some group. Woo! Man, their terrain park literally looks like a Colorado resort. So my favorite thing about this Black Diamond section, if you look at these rocks like super duper close, you'll see the subscribe button right there. You should click it. Right. Oh no.
You know what you should
Did you
do?
get it? All right, guys, so it's absolutely freezing. The camera gears starting to die and stuff like that. And I noticed they have a run called Geronimo. I think every ski resort has a run called Geronimo, and it's always a good time. So for Chipmunk, we're hitting Geronimo. We'll see what happens. Geronimo! Dude, there's a lot of terrain here. That's groomed and looks nice. Oh, we found the park that is open. Icy rollers are terrifying. It's so fast. So lastly, I already went into the lodge and got my Chestnut mountain pin. So we're riding every resort in the United States, and I'm collecting a pin at each one of them, so I have this cool pin board and everything. It's really cool. But the cooler thing is I have my own Evolution pin right here that you guys can snag yourself if you want to start a pin collection or anything like that. So snag an Evolution pin. All right, we got an icy chairlift up and out of here, but this is not the only resort on our Midwest trip. I think we're hitting 2 a day for 5 days, so 10 resorts on the Midwest. Just kind of shouting out the small resorts. These things are so fun and so sick. Chestnut Mountain, thank you again for once again for having us. And as always, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this channel. Woo! Let's go get warm.